done with the first three steps now, and the only step remaining is installation of Docker. So before we install Docker, I want you to give a brief about what Docker is. If you're new, then it's a containerization technology using which you can run other people's software on your laptop very easily. At the same time, you can sort of bundle your application into an image and then distribute it to other people so that they can run an instance of your application known as a container. So it works both ways. People can sort of run software written by you on their laptop easily, as well as vice versa. This is done so that you maintain a uniformity so that people don't have dependency issues with their OS or specific version of some library. So you bundle all the dependencies of the application into one single file called as image, and then run that image, which is typically called a container. So that is Docker in a nutshell for you. For installation of Docker, we are going to head to the website, but before that, in this course, we are not going to package our application. If that is what you're looking for, then this is not the course. We are going to run database and Redis as Docker containers, along with FTP server as one more container that we're going to use. So pre-built images are going to be used here. We are not going to create any image from scratch. So just a call out. So let's head to the website where you can install Docker from. So this is the website. I'll be giving this link along with this lecture. So as you can see, we've got Mac, Windows, and Linux here. So I just want to call out that installation on Mac and Windows is pretty straightforward. You just have to install Docker Desktop for Mac or Docker Desktop for Windows. Just follow the wizard, and then you'll see some UI like this. And I'm in the images section right now, so I can see all the images that I've used till date. In containers, you'll see the running containers, and probably if you're installing for the first time, you won't see anything here or here. But if you're aware, then this is the UI of Docker Desktop. And if you are running on a Linux machine wherein you don't have a UI, then you have to install something known as the Docker engine. There the UI will not be available for you, but if you're running some sort of UI based Linux distribution like Ubuntu or CentOS, then you have to install the UI separately and the Docker engine separately. So you can follow the link, follow the steps here and get it on your Linux machine. So that is it. So like I said, we'll be installing FTP server, Postgres, MySQL, and Redis later in this course as Docker containers so that our Spring Batch application can connect to these external dependencies. So that is it. That is the installation of Docker. Hope you find it simple enough. And if you find any issues or you need some help, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to help. That's it for this lecture. Thank you very much.